Okay, now that we've got as far down as we want to go established, we want to just bring this in. We want to always, whenever you're throwing anything, you always want to keep, mostly anything, you always want to keep your cylinder moving like this because it's going to want to go like this. So if you can just stay one step ahead of what it's going to try to do, even something as basic as this flower pot here, or this vase. Let's go ahead and grab some clay from the bottom. Alright. And squeeze it. Gently pull up. Being very even. And then compress down. You can even go in there and check to see how even you were. Nice and even. Pull it in. Compress down. And then we're going to go in for a second pull. And with that second pull, we want to start adding a little bit of shape.